Well, good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you with another great video. And you know that I know that you can come here and get the real scoop on what's really going on. And today was supposed to be the big day, right? Look at this. Today's supposed to be the big day. Robinhood supposedly going to list Shiba Inu. We've been waiting for this. We've been waiting for this information for months. I've been following it. I've been talking about it on this channel. But I just want you guys to know that sometimes when you listen to stuff on YouTube, people basically get some information that might not be information. It might just be bull crap. So this video is for all my fellow content creators out there. You know, you just probably want to hold off when you put this kind of information out there because your folks out there are counting on you for accurate information. And I never put anything out there about when it's going to happen because it ain't happening until it happens. So it's really tricky stuff when you get a lead that tells you Robinhood's going to list something and then they don't. And then you look just like, you know, all your credibility is just gone. Your credibility is gone. Look at this. This is it. This is over. Breaking news. Robinhood just lost Shiba Inu coin. We are about to see a move. About to do this. Shiba Inu, Robinhood. Here's another one. Leaked. Huge news. Shiba Inu listing on Robinhood confirmed. Shiba Inu. Coin news. Robinhood listing will hit 30 cents. Shiba Inu listed on Robinhood. Robinhood reveals bombshell about Shiba Inu. Look at this. Now, I'm going to tell y'all a little secret. They don't even change the thumbnails, okay? Look at this. Here's the thumbnail 1 hour ago. Here's the thumbnail 4 hours ago. A lot of these are great content creators, but their sources are suspect. And that's why when you come up here, 8 o'clock Eastern, 9 o'clock Central Time, and Robinhood supposedly going to list Shiba Inu, and boom! It doesn't happen. It doesn't happen. Now you've got all these folks that you followed and listened to, and you're like, they're just lying. They're spreading FOMO to get their hit count up. Fear of missing out. Okay? And then the FUD comes right after that. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt, right? You got all these folks sitting up here saying anything they got to say and making beautiful thumbnails and doing all this. And a lot of these folks are great content creators. But when they put out information about when something's going to happen, it needs to be on the mark. And I wanted to give you just a real simple thing. Instead of listening to all this bull, maybe just look at some of these videos and say, okay, it's coming. But to make damn sure that it does come before you act, if you're waiting on a particular event to take place before you actually put more money in, if you're waiting on something like that, you know, go ahead, check the price, look at what's going on with the coin. Okay, go ahead, listen to the crypto evangelists, like folks like me on this channel. You know, go ahead and log in and subscribe to several people. Look at the price action. Look at what's happening. But if you really want to know if somebody's got, if Shiba Inu is going to be listed on Robinhood account, if you really that's serious, why don't you just go over there to Robinhood and get yourself an account? Okay, it doesn't cost anything. All right, we're going to go ahead and we're going to log in right now. Okay. All right. What time is it here? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:22 a.m.
It's 11:22. We are 2 hours and 20 minutes past when it was supposed to happen. All right, let's just go over here and just log in. We're going to go ahead and log in and see what happens. Yeah, we're going to log in. This is what you can do once you have an account. Okay? Once you have an account, you can do this and you don't have to depend on the crypto evangelist. You just go ahead and get yourself your own account. And then you go down here, and here's where they have the IPOs, crypto, altcoins. You look under crypto, you'll get all of them. There ain't but a handful. And you go over here to the altcoins. That's probably where they're going to put Shib. Click on crypto. Let's see what they got. They got the Ethereum family, Bitcoin family, and altcoins. There they are. That's all they've got right now. That's all, folks. Game over. Okay? That's all they got. You don't have to sit up here. They don't have to lie to you and lie about it. This is all they got. Okay? This is it. So all you have to do is get yourself your own crypto account with Robinhood and check for yourself. Here it is, almost 11:30 now, and they still got the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 coins. Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum. And if you just want to skip over to the altcoins, which is probably where they would put it, unless they totally revamp their wallet, Litecoin, Dogecoin. So I hate that these folks are spending so much time making great content for entertainment. And of course, this video is not financial advice, but it is advice with regards to how to really get the truth. Okay, sometimes the truth is right there in front of you. You don't have to wait for somebody to tell you. You can see it. Get yourself your own Robinhood account. Shoot. For that matter, any one of these exchanges that allows you to have buy and sell crypto, get yourself an account. Look for yourself. I can tell you right now, from my own personal experience, getting a Coinbase account when Shib was listed on Coinbase, it still took a good 3 weeks to a month to see the full effect of what Shiba Coin's listing on Coinbase actually did for Shib. Okay, so it's not a race. You don't have to get there before. You don't have to get your investment in before listing. No. The idea is that if Robinhood should list Shib, there's going to be a new set of people that may not have accounts on other exchanges that can now buy Shib using their Robinhood account. That's what you want to cash in on. Okay, that's what you want to cash in on. New customers, new holders of the crypto. That's going to drive the price up. So if you found this video informative, please go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Throw up the likes and throw up the shares. And I'll catch you on the next